Of
all the diversity of finished electronic products, we always pay attention to nice mounting assemblies on printed circuit boards by various foreign producers, especially to high-quality soldering. This does not happen all the time, but it's common when it comes to repairing process equipment by doubtful Eastern brands of electronic products. That is when one has to repair temporal solder and then to repair the unit itself where a defect was made. Actually, a highly professional installation of equipment is performed by an automated device. Nothing to complain about. But when the same robotic automated device soldiers two, with only 2 human hands in quantities of millions, there are a lot of flaws. Let's try to reproduce a soldering process. Besides, very simple, and we don't pursue quantity. It's all about high-quality soldering. If you have a soldering iron or a soldering station, providing a regular soldering iron with interchangeable tips that in addition has temperature control, you will need this when changing the tip and adjustment to one or another element of the installation. A simple set of tools, a soldering flux, a solder, better with rosin, if possible head lenses, and then we can completely immerse ourselves into the depth of printed circuit board knowledge. First try to solder any element on the board. Try to feel the warm tip of the content of an element, how it behaves. You can try it literally on any electronic item. This is the first process of soldering for beginners. If you have a printed circuit board with untinned outputs, it is advisable to tin them. For this purpose, use the usual flux LTI-120. This will facilitate soldering. The best tip for a soldering iron is a V-shaped one of normal size. Now we tin the printing. The holes are left open. For example, we take an ordinary capacitor. Outputs must be outside the board at about 2 to 3 millimeters. Apply the solder to the tip. Wetten it in the rosin and solder. Try to warm up not only the nib of the soldering tip, but preferably all of its cone-shaped area. The place of soldering should be glossy for a completely covered output of the printed track. And don't be afraid that if you apply too much rosin, it will get spoiled or soiled. When installation is over, we can use a washing liquid to remove excess rosin, and will pre-clean if you accidentally poured tin into both tracks together. Initially, try feel the soldering process on any element of the circuit board, how the soldering iron behaves. You will feel it yourself. After tinning, always leave the hole open. First we wet the solder in the rosin. Solder the output Soldering should be flat, leaving voids in place of soldering, and the appropriate gloss. This means soldering was well done. It is better to practice a few times, and you will feel how the soldering tool behaves in your hands when you change the temperature in the range of 5 to 10 degrees from 280 to 310 degrees. Next we wash off excess rosin. Now you see the places of soldering are clean, smooth and glossy. The soldering process has been well done here. It should be always taken care of. Sometimes it does not go so well, but experience, especially for beginners, does not come at once. Only great desire to engage in assembly and desoldering, as well as zeal, will help to perform quality work on the assembly of a favorite and sometimes necessary electronic device. And as they say, the better you solder it, the better it works. Video filmed at the request of Dmitry Shakshin.